Hello, Soul Tribe. This is Shauna. I hope this finds you well wherever you're at in the world. I have a beautiful transmission, healing from Archangel Metatron, the grandfather of all the angelics. In the state of the world today, our heart chakra is imbalanced and it needs to be restored. We need to be able to give love and receive love equally without fear. So if you'd like to receive this healing, this transmission, please say yes. Find yourself in a quiet place. Close your eyes, take in 3 deep breaths into your nose and out through your mouth, and we shall begin. Dormakai ba saya betul yana bato korwagata saya nada. Dunar de ko saya mata tishitu yamanda kato shitaya. Protokayana nada sa korwagata saya nada koto shini yatakasiyatia. Taburubaya matakaya. Uranaya takasayana yatakasayara kitukushiyana yatakotesha yatakaya nitukuyo. Protayana yatakamadukatashuna yataprotakishita bayadar protokotashunaya. Protakasayana kotabru yatakasayanda tuyutoro tushiti kekataya. Turataya semanaka bodoboshini butukishita pataya. Turanakosiyatakashi kasundadamrakavakashunite tuyutuyu pataya patakasiya. Protakasayana nutushunyandardakatayutunyandar prokoshmushoti chuchitakaya. Protokosayana ya arakopagapakosaya baya. Alana no shunu tutuya. Tanayo sayata koyo zamurukake sayendo kosheti yatia. Tanyano koshebeda chadara de subudun chuchinya de katagato shunu de joya dariara pakatishina de balar rokoya. No de chone yatakasya la rolo lokoboya. Kudushana yadara dushan dutushiti to potakasya la rokoya baya tadis to the gititi. Tara atakasya la tushi. Tayamato koshiata, Tayanakatakasya futuro baya payatishi. Yobratakasya and the Toshinaya Shivikutu Yoro, my Katasaya to the Yora, the Saya to Kosho. Bratakasaya and the Kasapatushitita to the Arabishiti. Korono do Yata Watonura Kapashaya. Adakashana no Yarda Kashitiki no Yoprapa Apa Asaya. Takola Roka Yasino do Yashino do Yabapayasi and the Kayasa. Tagokosi Anaya.